Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fry Trains. Today, we're going to be building another freight car here, and we're going to be building this Delaware Hudson 2-bay covered hopper. And this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into the build now. So as usual, we're going to start off with the coupler, so take a dark oak stair and attach it up. Under that, a dark oak vent scape. Then on the next block board on the bottom, we're going to put a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we're going to take nether brick stairs upside down in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern in 3 wide in the middle. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. On the top middle, we're going to put 4 light gray concrete like this, and then we're going to extend it out on this second layer 13 blocks past the wheels, so a line of 13 past the wheels here. Then on the next block board from that, a set of netherite wheels on each rail with an end rod axle. Then same as before, we're going to go 3 wide of upside down nether brick stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we'll add 4 more light gray concrete up here. Then we'll take a dark oak stair and get it stacked up on this concrete, and under it a sideways dark oak vent skate on this end. Then we're going to go through and put a hopper on the side of all of the netherite wheels here. Then we're going to crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper. Same thing for this end. Then we'll do the other side. So crouch and get a wither skeleton skull on the side of each hopper over here. And 1 more corner to go. Same thing right here. Then on the middle of the truck, we're going to open 2 dark oak vent skates. Same thing here. And then get the other side. Same thing here. And same thing here. Then we're going to come underneath and put a row of iron trapdoors across this bottom middle. Then we're going to come on the side of this light gray concrete, and we're going to come 2 blocks over from the wheel, so there's 2 empty blocks of space, and on this 3rd block over from the wheel, we're going to put 3 light gray concrete on the side here, and same thing, 2 empty spaces there and 3 here. Then do the same thing on this side. Then we're going to take stone brick stairs upside down, 1 in each of these corners, 1 in each of these corners. Then go the other way on this side, 1 in each of these corners, 1 in each of these corners. Then on the side of this, 3 outward facing upside down stairs on each one. And of course, same thing on this side. Make sure they're all upside down. Then we're going to come underneath here, and we're going to put a single light gray concrete in the middle of each of these. And then an upside down stone brick stair on either side of the concrete like this. Then we'll do the same thing over here. Come to this side, put a light gray concrete on the middle of each of these on bottom, and upside down stone brick stairs on either side of each of the concretes. Then we're going to put a birch fence gate here and then here. And same thing for this one. And then we'll do the other side. So we'll put a birch fence gate here, and then here. And then same thing for this one. Then we're going to switch to smooth stone slabs and come off the top of the end and come out by 2 on either side of the end on top here. Do the same thing at this end, so 2 here, 2 here. Then we're going to come straight up the side across this, then across this middle gap, and then across to this end. And then we'll repeat on this side, so come across here with smooth stone slabs, then across the middle gap, then across here. Now come on top on the 3rd block from the end and do 5 light gray concrete across here, and then cover both of these inner holes. And same thing on this side on the 3rd block in, 5 across here, and cover these 2 holes. Then we'll do another layer of 5 here. And then we're going to fill the whole side in between here 2 high with light gray concrete. across here. And same thing on this side, fill this whole side in, 2 blocks tall, with light gray concrete as well. Then we'll come on top and do another layer of 5 on this end and on this end. Then starting from the end on both sides, we're going to do 2 black concrete and a light gray. Then 2 black and a light gray. Then 1 black, 1 light gray, 1 black, 1 light gray. Then 2 black concrete, then a light gray. And finally 2 black concrete. Then right here, we're going to put 5 upside down stone brick stairs facing outward. And same thing on this end, 5 upside down stairs up here. Then we'll go back to light gray concrete, and we're going to go all the way around the top outside edge of this car in a single layer of light gray concrete. And just come all the way back up this side. Then we'll add another 5 upside down stone brick stairs here. Come to this end, and same thing, another 5 upside down stairs here facing outward. Then on top of this, we're just going to go 5 wide with light gray concrete, and we're going to cover the whole top of the car 5 wide here. And just bring it all the way down to the other end of the car. And just keep it coming here, right till we're over these stairs. Then we're going to take out iron bars. We're going to put a column of 3 right here on this corner. Then 3 in the middle. And then 3 on this corner. And we'll do the same thing at this end. So come down here. A column of 3 in this corner. 3 in the middle. 3 here. Then in here on the right hand side, we're going to put a sideways end rod here, and then around the corner 1 here, and then we're going to add a second end rod above each of those. Then on this side, we're going to do a column of birch fence gates starting on the bottom of the iron bars and coming to the top of the car. Then come around the corner and another column of 5 right here. So it looks like that. Then we're going to repeat on this end. So we're going to put 2 end rods here, and then 2 going this way right here. Then here, on the iron bars of the left hand side, a column of fence gates coming up right here. Come around this corner, and a column of fence gates coming up right here. Then we'll come down to this end, and come down inside here. We're going to put an iron trapdoor in this hole, and then crouch and get a grindstone on it. Then on the front of this grindstone here, we need to close a jungle trapdoor, and that will be our brake wheel. Then we're going to come out on the side with light gray stained glass paints. And right here, we're going to put a column of 5, then a column of 5 here, and then here. Same thing on the other side, a column right here, then here, then here. Then we're going to repeat for the other side. So a column of 5 right here, then here, then here. Same thing, a column here, here, and then here. Then we're going to take a dark oak sign. We're going to come and put 1 here and 1 here. Then 2 down here, and then 1 here. Then take out polished blackstone buttons, right here a 2x2. Then here do this upside down T shape, and then a 2x2 right here. And we're going to repeat all that on the other side. So take a dark oak side, 1 here, and here, 2 down here, 1 here. Then take out our polished blackstone buttons, a 2x2 there, this upside down T here, and a 2x2 here. Then we need to make a banner, so come into a loom with a black banner and light gray dye, and we're going to put a border on it. And a horizontal on bottom. And then we're going to take that banner out and we're going to put that on the top middle right here. And then same thing on this side right here. Then we're going to come on top of the end here with a polished blackstone button and put one here and one here. Then open a birch fence gate in the center. Repeat for this end. So birch fence gate in the center, a button here and here. Then we're going to take out stone brick slabs on top and do 3 here and then 1 sticking out over that fence gate. Same thing at this end, so 3 here, 1 sticking out over the fence gate, and then come right down the center across the whole top with it. Then we're going to start here and do a full row of iron trapdoors to the other end. Same thing, start at this end and a full row of iron trapdoors here. Then for the hatch covers, we're going to take smooth stone slabs. And we're going to come on top and put 1 here, 1 here, and same thing on this side. Then we're going to come towards the middle here and put 1 here and here, and same thing on that side. Then on the rest of this outer edge of the top, anywhere we haven't built something, put light gray carpet. And same thing here, fill all these gaps up here with light gray carpet as well. Just like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Delaware Hudson 2-bay covered hopper. I needed something quick to do today. So I hope everyone enjoyed this freight car build. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week.